Do you know what is the cutoff? The cutoff is the minimum qualifying percentile or score which must be obtained to pass the test. The cutoff for various categories, for example, general category is 50 percentile and other categories like SC, ST and OBC is 40 percentile. To know more information about the cutoff, let us watch the video. Let us put some light on NEET cutoff 2020 and qualifying marks and previous year cutoff. As we know that NEET 2020 exam has concluded on September 30, NTA will publish the result or the cutoff after the declaration of result. The NEET cutoff is the minimum marks that is required by the candidate to qualify the NEET 2020 examination. Now, what will be the cutoff for 2020 in the comparison with 2019? As the expert says, the marks this year may be increased by 15 marks or decreased by 15 marks. That depend upon the cutoff. Let us see the criteria. Let us see NEET 2020 cutoff determining factor. There are various methods to determine the factor of cutoff. The following are few NEET 2020 cutoff determining factors. The first one is difficulty level of exam and questions. Second is total available seats. Third one is total number of candidates appear for NEET 2020 exams. And the last one is batch performance. These are the criteria on which NEET 2020 cutoff is judged. Let us see how to calculate NEET 2020 cutoff percentile. NEET cutoff percentile will be declared along with the NEET 2020 result with the scorecard at the end of September 2020. The percentile marks can be calculated by the following method. Suppose a candidate has score rank X in the examination and the total number of candidates appearing in the entrance test is Y. So the rank we are supposing as X and the number of candidates we are supposing as Y. The formula to calculate the percentile is Y minus X by Y into 100. This is the formula to calculate the NEET percentile. Let us see NEET 2020 cutoff important dates. This has been divided into two parts. The first one is events and dates. The first event is NEET exam, that is on September 13, 2020. Announcement of result is last week of September. Announcement of cutoff releases, that is last week of September. Counseling date is still not declared. This is a brief explanation of important dates of NEET 2020 cutoff. Let us put some light on 2019 cutoff for top government colleges. The candidate who has appeared in NEET 2020 can have a look at the NEET 2019 cutoff for top medical colleges of India. The medical college, number of seats, closing rank. This list of all colleges that describes what is the closing rank for the given college in the list. And this list gives you a brief explanation of about 2020 cutoff. What will be the closing rank? As the closing rank mentioned of 2019, what will be their cutoff or the closing rank for 2020? That describe best for you what will be the closing rank if you want to get admission in top institute or medical institute of India. Let us see NEET cutoff expected category wise. NTA declared the NEET cutoff along with the NEET result. As the cutoff for different categories are there. We have general category, OBC, SC, ST. Let us see the category wise, the cutoff and the score and the percentile. The first is unreserved category 700 to 134, that is 50 percentile. OBC, SC, ST 133 to 107, that is 40 percentile. Unreserved pH 133 to 120, that is 45th percentile. This is a brief explanation or the information. The minimum marks that is required to qualify for NEET exam is 134. 134 marks is the minimum mark that is required to get qualified for NEET exam. Tiebreaker in NEET 2020. If you see that there are different methods that are used for tiebreaker, but mostly this tiebreaker rule is used only in NEET exams. If the student obtain the same marks in the NEET exams, then the tie-breaking rule will be applied. The following methods will be used for tie-breaking. The first, the student securing higher marks in biology will be given a higher rank. Then the student securing higher marks in chemistry will be given a higher rank. After that, a student with less number of wrong answer attempt among the two given a higher rank. Finally, if the tie continues, students older in age will be given a priority. These are the brief explanation of tie-breaking rule in NEET 2020. Let us have a look NEET 2020 counseling and seat allotment of NEET 2020. After the declaration of the result of NEET 2020, candidates can register themselves for the NEET 2020 counseling round. They can participate in the counseling process according to the rank they score in the NEET 2020. Let us see what is 15% quota and what is 85% quota. NEET counseling for the 15% AIQ is conducted by MCC, that is Medical Counseling Committee, and 85% state quota will be regulated by the respective authorities. The counseling process will be conducted online and candidate can fill the choice of the colleges according to their rank list. This is a brief explanation of NEET 2020 counseling and seat allotment. In the next video, we are going to give a brief description about Telangana state, number of colleges of medical in Telangana, number of colleges of BDS in Telangana, number of seats of MBBS, number of seats of BDS, and what is the last rank closing of 2019 cutoff in these different colleges. This brief explanation of all Telangana number of colleges, number of seats of MBBS, number of seat of BDS, this brief explanation we will explain in our next video. Thanks for watching, and to never miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified and smash that like button.